Let's go through the steps to start an LLC in Ohio so you can create an LLC on your own. But if you find it overwhelming and want to save time, I'll show you later on in the video how in just a few minutes you can give all of your information to a formation service and they'll set up the LLC for you. Step 1. Name your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC, keep in mind the following rules. The LLC name must end with LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company, all written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is something it's not, like a government agency, bank, or insurance company. For a list of specific requirements in the state of Ohio, you'll find a link to this page in the description. Most importantly, though, the name must be unique. To make sure there's not already a business in Ohio using the name, search for your business name on this page on the Ohio Secretary of State's website. For example, you're probably going to have difficulties naming your new coffee business Starbucks. Step 2, select a registered agent. In Ohio, you'll also hear them referred to as statutory agents. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private or you don't want to have to be at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend hiring a registered agent. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agent services, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if they form your LLC, which costs $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest website in the description below. Step 3, submit articles of organization to the Ohio Secretary of State and pay $99 fee for regular processing of 3 to 7 business days. Some things you'll need to include: the name of the LLC, effective date, today, or up to 90 days in the future if you don't want it formed immediately. A business purpose is optional. Appoint a statutory agent, their name, address, and signature accepting the role, then the signature of whoever is submitting the articles of organization. This document can be submitted online, by mail, or in person. Links to file online or to download the PDF version, to mail in or deliver in person can be found in the description below. If you'd like it processed faster, you can pay for an additional $100 for processing in 2 business days, up to $300 if you'd like the document processed in 4 hours if delivered before 1 p.m. or by noon the next day if you deliver after 1 p.m. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases, it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and for hiring employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that will walk you through how to get one, link down below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. Ohio law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a more complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates from this page that you'll find down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances and will help you maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have a video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through how to open your business bank account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses the information of the primary owners of the LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025 and beyond, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. The nice thing with Ohio is they don't require you to submit an annual report or pay an annual fee like most other states to keep your LLC in good standing. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business and all the steps that we just ran through might sound overwhelming. The Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they will help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You can also get their registered agent service for free for the first year and a free operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I want to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create your LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Keep in mind, by using the link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, it's a great way to support the channel. Click Get Started. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select Ohio as a state where we're forming the LLC. In the state of Ohio, standard LLC processing time is 11 days and costs $99. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, select if you'd like Northwest to file the Beneficial Ownership Information Report on your behalf for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Write your business purpose, what your business will do. I'll write Business Strategy Consulting. Select which physical address and mailing address you want to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business for you? If at any point in the process you have a question, you can click on the question icon to learn more. Also, if you continue to have any questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed right here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here I'll enter my name as an LLC member and use the registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this screen, name, phone number, and mailing address. Here you'll want to enter your email and create a password to set up your account with Northwest. On this page, you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that will walk you through everything you need when you're starting a new business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like to access this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off the free trial and I won't add any of the options on this page. One thing I like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't want or need just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can individually add a tax ID, S Corp election with the IRS, mail services, or trademark service. A few things I would consider. The tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a Social Security number, $200 if you don't. If you want to do it on your own, again, the video in the description will walk you through how to do just that. But if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add that here. S Corp election. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this right now, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have the LLC taxed as an S Corp. This can help you save on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit annually. You'll find a video about S Corps in the description. Another thing that you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. Unfortunately, Northwest doesn't offer this service in Ohio. If you need a virtual mailbox, down below you'll find a link to Anytime Mailbox, a popular virtual mailbox service with multiple locations in Ohio. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click Done. In a week or two, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and you want to support our channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description below when forming your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open that in the video up above or in the video below. Learn the dozen things you need when starting a new business. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.